All right, let's go ahead and use the rectangle tool. Before we do though, let's start a new document just to have a clean model space. Rectangle tool is located right here. It's also R as a keyboard shortcut. The rectangle tool, like the line tool, is a 2-click process. So the first click sets your origin point, and the second click determines your diagonal corner. Now as I hover, you can see I get this diagonal showing me a perfect square. It'll sort of snap to that. And you also see one for the golden rectangle or golden section. So it's that ratio there. Now I could click just to set this rectangle, or I could type in a value. So if you notice in the value control box, it's looking for 2 distances. So your X distance, comma, your Y distance. So as I'm drawing here, I'll just release my mouse. I'll type in my first distance. Let's just say 15 foot sign, comma, 10 foot sign, enter. Now, a great little feature with SketchUp is it always remembers your input. So as long as you don't click on another tool, you can type in a new value if you don't like the value you inputted. So I could type in 12 foot sign, comma, 12 foot sign, enter. And it's going to give me a 12 by 12 square here.